So when Senzo Moyiwa came to Orlando Pirates, ungithole ngo-Pirates. Mina mangingena ebholweni mangidlala I'm a different beast. Ngeke ngidle Sundowns. Manje mangingavuka bathi dlala naye. Ngeke wazi ukungidla.
Kwamambala mlaleli kungelesine godu namhlanje sibuya nabanye abadlali okhwababona namkhoragela phambili nokubabona wanamhlanje umbone engichemeni eziningi ngichema ombonekizo lapha eSouth Africa kodwa nawo okufanako ngengichema ezidlaleleko lekhono kudlala ngamandla Steve Komphela nakakhuluma ngaye uthi nimbona mncancancane kangaka nje kodwa na ke he has a big heart ukhuluma ngoJoseph Tight wakwaMalungane Tight lochani kwekwezli
lochani kokwezi listeners umlangwane lo ngiyabonga
yeah no siyathokoza ngesikhathi sakho Tight ngithe ngiyahlola ngathola ukuthi ubuya eLimpopo nami ngibuye eLimpopo mana ngibuya eMostorloos site eGroblersdal wena ubuya eMleji ubagcine nini eMleji
eMleji ngihlala nabo njalo man even yesterday ngibuya khona ekhaya so I'm always at home
yini into ekwenza ukuthi ube semleji ngaphandle kokuthi kusekhaya usadlala kwenzekani
no angisadlali but ngispend isikhathi esiningi that side because ne project engiyenzayo enkulu lapha Sunrise so I'm always that side
mina Sunrise is it the team leku ABC ebe ABC Mutsipe nabo Langaman and them
yeah iyona leyo team but since si expella eligini still mara sisasekhona sisasekhona we working out something sisasekhona
bane expelleleni eligini because benibonakala nama player ama experienced players we PSL kubonakala ukuthi gathi promotion ifuna ngekani
no ezinye izinto like vas expelleleni leyo ama politics webhola engingakazi ukukhuluma ngawo but owazi ukuthi there's bekune club enkulu which is the Sunrise then bekune Sunrise Light so le project lesiyenzayo bekuyi project enkulu kakhulu so as much as basikhathe halfway through but i Sunrise Light be continue ikhona so mangikhuluma kanje they are going to play ama district playoffs then from lapha bazodlala i provincial playoffs so ama district playoffs adlala nge-20 this month then I'm not sure ngedate ya lento yama provincial playoffs
good luck ngalokho ukhulumisa indaba yama politics yebholo ukuthi ithwenya kangani nokuthi awusadlali officially u retire
angabi officially anga retire officially but kuzoba nelanga engizoyenza sooner late ama listeners ukukhizi bazi ukuthi when is the date and kwenzakalani
yes no sizabe sikhona bekudi sizomazisa umlaleli ngamahlelo akho okulokuzana ukulisa ngakulelo hlangothi lelo sithena ngithi ngiyahlola ngabona ukuthi wenza idebut yakho ngo2009 futhi upay professional football 17 years yonke yakusi easy
ngangikhumbuza ungangithatha ngibuyisele emuva ngibe nama moments amahle kakhulu ebholweni ngabuya ngaba nama moments angekho
yes
yabona so but ngiya appreciate every moment and dilana namhlanje ngikhuluma nawe because of football
yes
if it wasn't those 17 years of football I wouldn't be here ngikhuluma nawe so I really appreciate and I'm one person that believes yabo isilungu nezulu yeah zizongiphazamisa but anyway kaSpeedy bare sesingol sesingosinele nakho so when the time ifihlile you need to accept and move on
Ukhuluma ngendaba yesikhathi leyo ngo 2009 Steve Komphela ukunikela i-debut yakho professionally kodwa nomuntu akathoma ukudlala ibhola professionally kuba nezinto ezenzekako ngaphambi kokuthi uzithole uku professional uhlangana phi ne professional football.
So ithi ngikutshele history yami kancane.
Yes,
ngebhola.
yeah.
So 2001 played for Orlando Pirates development. Being captain by then, I think under 12 being captain, yeah, under 12 Orlando Pirates, under 13, under 14 Orlando Pirates. So kusho ukuthi development Orlando Pirates iqale yithi.
Wow.
So when Senzo Moyiwa came to Orlando Pirates, ngithole ngo Pirates. And 2002 ngithole player of the season go under 12 Orlando Pirates. Bengidlala center back.
So center back? No ways.
I'm telling you, bengidlala center back. So ukudlala ibhola ngibekudini. So when Joseph Makanya was promoted, being say in the same award ceremony naye. Mina ngaleso sikhathi bengithola player of the season yena beka promoter.
Wow.
Ngisho bongaya kuba office Orlando Pirates bash.
The pictures
ngikhona lapha kuleya picture. So yeah, so yabona lento le ibuyekudeni kakhulu.
But by the time uthola i-debut yakho ngo 2009 bese kukuthi sowuzame too much namkha ize vele ngesikhathi ebefanele ize ngasona. Yazi abanye ama player uthola ukuthi kube nama trials amanengi bikufike la angasacabanga ukuthi angagcina i-professional wena ifike usabelieve ukuthi ungaba i-professional ingakabuku ukufrustrate i-process yokufuna ukuba i-professional.
So Pirates be under 12, under 13 and under 14 because of my height. And ngaleso sikhathi there's people coming from Durban Guppi, better height, structured. So babona kahle ukuthi mina sengimncane bangirelease. So bathe mabangirelease ngahamba ngaya ku academy kaJesu Queen Lehodi. So la ngifike khona I met Abu Upamanyisa, Abu Menzi Masuku,
Makula.
Yes, Makula, Patrick Pungwayo, Ayanda Mtshali. So safika lapha, safika kuJesu asiphatha kahle. Then kula ngakhula khona even better. Bengidlala right back. From right back bengidlala winger. So when Steve Komphela ngithola ngidlala winger ku my money games Alex.
Oh. Then wakuthatha wakusa ku Platinum Stars.
Yeah, hey. Ukufika kwami ku Platinum Stars, you know, mawufika endaweni uthola abantu bobabuka eTV.
Yeah.
Mina bengimthanda kakhulu uJabupule. Ngithe mangifika lapha ngathola uJabupule lapha.
Wow.
Ngathola uSteve Likoleya lapha. Ngathola uDylan Shepherd with my height and everything, because there was one thing engibengifuna ukudlala professional. Hayi, akekho umuntu bekangizongistopha by that time.
Tight bo umncane yabona, and abo Messi naye bekamncane ibile yena ke the problem ye growth hormone bafanele bam inject and all of that. I counter against wena kangani indaba ye stature sakho?
Yabo uthe earlier on makhuluma wathi Steve uthe ngimncane nginenhliziyo enkulu.
Yeah.
So mina mangene ebholweni mangidlala I'm a different beast. Sometimes angikwazi nokuzibukela eTV.
Yeah.
Because I think ezinye izinto they are beyond wena. When into makwe yakho. Into makwe yakho. Bangathi height bathini. Into makwe yakho.
Yakho. Wow. And Platinum Stars siyazwa nje ukuthi bekuyi-environment ehle man ke sakhuluma nomunye umlilo nayo yathi ukuthi no le bekuyi-environment ehle Royal Bafokeng le ayisa-support i-team le baniphethe njani as young stars bathina ama-professionals asesemancane
Platinum Stars besiphethe kahle kakhulu not saying ukuthi amanye amaklabha awasiphathanga lama club engiwadlalela angiphathanga kahle but Platinum Stars bengiphethe kahle kakhulu but nakhona mangifika ku Platinum Stars bengimncane kakhulu so they made sure ukuthi yonke into yami ihamba ngohlelo
ngemali
bangiphazamise ngemali kuphela because le mali bengithola bengiphazamisa
bekuphazamisa ukuthi nengikhulu or incane khulu
benkulu kakhulu
uTeboho Mokoena just kunenye i-podcast engiyibukela ukukhulumisa indaba ukuthi uene 3.5 nge-first contract yakhe uyazikhumbula wena nge-contract yakhe yokuthoma
yabo i-contract yami yokuthoma bayichange after 3 games
so uyafika uhola imali ethileko uyadlala after 2 games but no
asikunike le yafana nalabantu laba because uyacompete nabo angithathanga i-contract yabo angithathanga 2 months ngale contract wazi ukuthi kune contract player esuka from development
yes
ingena ku first team so i standard yona namanye ama player today I think basaphethola yona then from lapho mina ngithi 3-4 games things changed.
Wow. Is it change from what to what? It change from what to what? Like it change ngangani le?
Yabona from 0 to 100 real quick. From a
okay, now figure was it less than 10,000?
Yeah, mangifika was less than 10,000.
And then after 3-4 games was it more than 50,000?
Khona lapho.
Wow. And I can imagine into le change impilo yakho, i-change ngendlela oyibona ngakhona imali, i-change ngendlela ophila ngakhona.
No, yabo sometimes ne. Ukutshela iqiniso. Imali yenza izinto eziningi and angithanda ukukhuluma ngayo. Because abanye abantu they will never understand. Because kule uyachange nasendlini uba mdala yazi. I'm telling you. Imali endlini uba mdala.
Yabantu ukunikela enye respect edlula iminyaka yakho.
Yeah, and no understand it because ayikuthi bakumele bayenze kanjalo because thina siyabantu. Imali is not something mawubona ingane yakho ithola le mali clearly nawe uyamangala.
Sekunguwe provider seyijikile into le.
Mawu provide endlini awuyenza into ezirong. No baba kayenza into ezirong. He brings food on the table. Ngeke ukuthi kubaba ukhuluma manga. Because uletha provider uyaletha ukuthi nidle endlini.
And by the time nge family beni based Alex.
Yeah, based Alex.
So now ufike Alex
enowazi ukuthi mina imoto yami yokuqala ngayiswipe
cash
ngayiswipe
sure
bengena driver's license ngabiza abangani bami ngahamba ngayiswipe.
Wow.
You understand? So ezinye izinto man, it's just izinto zempilo, you live and learn and you move on.
And obviously nabaqeda ukuchugululela icontract ngamagame ayi2 ayi3 besele babonile enough ukuthi umuntu lo angahona ukucompete begodi unekhono okukhulu. Kuthethe isikhathi esingangani ngaphambi kokuthi Orlando Pirates izokuthatha na?
Ngihlale almost 4 years kulento ku Platinum Stars. And bengiyi big player ku Platinum Stars. At one stage bengifike ngathi ngifuna number 10, ngathola number 10, ngagcoka number 10. Kunama players that babafika ku Platinum Stars bangithola ku Platinum Stars bazokutshela.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say
Big,
much.
big.
Bazokutshela ukuthi ku Platinum Stars bengimkhulu.
And nathumba ne charity cup yokugcina nginena yiwinako ngaphakathi ke etatawini inside the field of play. My moments maphi that you walked away with ukusuka ku Platinum Stars.
Ku Platinum Stars ngikhumbula sidlala ne Sundowns. Lucas Moripe. And Sundowns then strong. Ubanu Nyandoro, Matthew Booth, Mariri, Katla Khompela. And was a team yami no Old John. No Old John, no Chabupule, no Land. And I scored on that day.
Wow.
So for me it was moment in call.
Yeah.
And ku Platinum Stars I don't remember Sundowns Sicily.
Ku Platinum Stars.
I don't remember. Angina history ukuthi Sundowns yangila ngidlala ku Sundowns ku Platinum Stars. So nginayo leyo nto Sundowns angazi ukuthi why but akusi team engithanda ukuthi ngidle.
Modlala naye. Why wakwafuna ukudlalela kibo namkha kuba yini bona?
Before ngiya ku Pirates.
Yeah.
I was supposed to sign the Sundowns.
Kwenzeka?
Then Pizzo came.
And the deal fell off.
Yes.
Bese konke kuvumelene.
Yeah, everything was there.
And then wasala na tayiteng.
Ngeke ngidle Sundowns. Manje mangavuka bathi dlala naye. Ngeke wazi ngidle. Hey, there is a football.
Yeah, no. But zimnandi especially na uqala emuva
yeah,
u reflect. Ngisho ngaleso sikhathi leso bekungahlekisi ngalendlela ekuhlekisa ngakhona namhlanje. And then kuthi the Pirates hijack deal.
No, Pirates I hijack deal. Angithi wazi ukuthi unama options. Mabakufuna ne option A ne option B.
Yeah.
Which is the Queen was working ku Sundowns then. So I preferred working.
Oh yeah, ngoba the history.
Yeah, I understand. And then I finally went to Pirates. Ngi-advise yakhe at the end of the day because beku like a father to me. Yeah, I understand. So I would have loved ukuthi ngisebenze naye ku Sundowns.
Yeah. Azange uhlangane noPitso nikhulume ngemove leyo inayisenzekako namkha wathi nakaqeda ukufika and then ideal ya.
Uthi makaqeda ukufika then everything. So
wafuna izinto ngenye indlela. Ku Orlando Pirates ke zange yodlala ekhulu. Ungene substitute I think 5 times ku Orlando Pirates and ngisho uthola amajitebo nabo ku academy njalo abo Ace AJ nabo Mpho. Nawuqala esikhathini sakho seOrlando Pirates sikufundiseni kwenzekeni ku Orlando Pirates?
Yabo ku Orlando Pirates khuluma iqiniso they had a strong team ngalesa sikhathi. Was ukuthi bebaqeda ukuwina treble.
Yeah.
Mabaqeda ukuwina treble bayodlala in CAF Champions League. And mina bengena vele ngizogcwalisa. Yeah, obvious mawugcwalisa yakuvela ufike ungene. So something le Pirates beseyikhona. Yabona. Ngi grateful ukuphela ukuthi ngibe part yabo. Owazi ukuthi noma baya ku CAF games benginokuhamba nabo. You understand leyo experience engenza ukuthi ngibe mkhulu ngibe better.
Ebo lapha ngesikhathi saka VV ne? And uVV apparently damani beka hard for sure. Nalapho your physique maybe was counting against you ngoba bache Jimmy damani beka
yabo yabo McDine ithi ngikutshela yabo ebholweni ukuthi icoach yenzani ayikho icoach engafuni kuwina if you wenza into right uzokufaka if uyamunisa if uyadlala into right uzokufaka
big or small
big or small mina le ukuthi coach wenza njani hayi mina I think it's just an excuse yama players mawudlala ujima wenza khona and coach abona ukuthi uzomunisa and ufike egroundini yamunisa uzodlala.
So wena ufila ukuthi ku Pirates you were not doing enough ukuthi udlale.
Yes.
Bekwenzekani was it uphazamiseka Jozi?
No bengingaphazamiseki and owazi ukuthi uyafika ubona yabona then nakhona owazi ukuthi bekunami Facebook ngaleso sikhathi uthola attention eningi yabona kunezinye izinto so we superstar platinum stars bengisekhoneni yami bengidlala ibhola into ebe important bekuyibhola yabona
and konke lokho imove akho kuya ku platinum stars uyenze ngaphandle kwe agent
imove yami yokuya ku platinum stars ngiyenza no Jersey Queen Lehodi
ne yokuza ku Pirates
yokuza ku Pirates uMike Makap uvela ngene esporweni agibela yankolota futhi
I know ukuthi ngathi kena cabana indaba khona nemakhodo kwenzekeni ngoba kukaningi ama agent ene akakhulunywa kumbi but akhona amanye ama agent ethola ukuthi abanye abadlali they are smart enough ukwazi ukuthi lokhu nalokhu momela ungakakwenzi kimi or ukwenze wrong and then sometimes nawuzama ukuzikhulumela bese umuntu ayithathe ngenye indlela istory sakho kwenzekeni kuze nigcine ningasazwana no Mike.
Yabona mina ngeke ngikhulume much ngo Mike so into engizo advise ama player kumele understand ukuthi agent isebenza wena usebenza yona if you can uthola leyo the right uzoba right so angiyeke ngikhulume anything
ungathola ukuthi yena sekatshela wena ngawe wena fanele utshele yena ukuthi kuhle wena ufunani
uMike Makabheka ngangazi if ngabe ngaye ePirates benginjeka ngazi so uthola ideal ePirates then he came to me so clearly bekasebenzela mina
yes
so ama players kumele ba understand ukuthi advice yami kubo ukuthi bakumele ba understand something ukuthi agent awusebenzi yona isebenza wena mabangayithola leyo into right kuzoba simple.
Yes. And then na usuka lapho ke ku Orlando Pirates enganibona nikhambeni 5 niya ku Chippa nisuka ku Pirates again is a very special relationship phakathi kwe Chippa ne Pirates.
It is sakhuluma ngaleyo nto yazi mangiya ku Chippa ngithola call bathi ngiye officeini ye Pirates mangifike officeini ye Pirates ngithola uChippa lapha ngibamba ifoni yami ngifonela uMakap yazi uMakap zanga ngiba abamba ifoni yami since that day until ngiya ku Chiefs since that day uMakap akaza abamba ifoni yami.
So ukrepresent for what? For which deal?
Wenza deal le Pirates.
Oh.
So makanzi deal le Pirates mangihamba ngiya ku Chippa United angithi kumele ngikhulume naku phela ngiyahamba
nangu Chippa here.
uChippa la bathi ngiyahamba wena uthini ngamfonela akaza abamba ifoni yami namhlanje since
akachaza ukuthi kuba yena azange abamba ifoni
yami since ngiya mangifika ku Chiefs at the agent yami cabanga hayi was the boy like guy.
Okay. So ye Chippa be njani from Pirates bekuyindaba yokuthi i-loan or permanent deal because yabona i-move nayiphakathi kwe Chippa ne Pirates bangenye indlela.
So kunezinye izinto kumele understand. Mawufika lapho uthole uChippa no chairman uzobabuza uthini wena because bayakutshela ukuthi usayine la usayine la uyahamba ye-PE following day ngene flight ye-PE then ngafika PE.
But it was a good deal, I believe.
Yeah, it was. And into yashintsha yonke into kule deal. uDan Malesela makafika cheap. Made everything. Yes. I enjoyed football.
Oh man.
Cool. Yes. I enjoy football.
Wenzeni ngoba kufike ucoach okholelwa kuwe.
Was mangifika ku cheaper. Manga check, I've never had games. When Papich was there, he had ngidlale kamnandi man. Ngidlale kamnandi. I got an injury. Same shin. Mara crack. They didn't break your crack. Ngahlala isikhathinyana uPapich lose ama game. Bam release. Then mabaqeda ukurelease uPapich, then other coaches came. So manje bengistruggle ukudlala, ngistruggle. Cheap ezakiba but mina ngehlise phela ithi ngehlisa imali.
Yo.
Ngathi ku cheaper no akunankinga yehlisa. Mara ungangirelease. Yehlisa kancane ungangirelease. Cheaper yehlisa ngangirelease. Luckily wafika uDad. Awuthe afika, uthe makafika yonke into yashintsha.
Phela that team kaDan ichipa kaDan Dance angazi siyophinde siyibone nini ichipa injaya.
Ngisho na manje ichipa ke yafika ku top 3
since then. Angazi ngoNorman Mapeza but no.
Kumele le team le bayigaye lapho iPE sisayine wasenzele istage usethu la. Never sidlala kamnandi. Honestly speaking, I enjoyed football.
Imnandi ibhola le kaDan Dance ne?
Too much.
Because nihlala niphethe ibhola, nihlala nisebholweni, you're on top of teams.
No, I think angithi understand ukuthi Brazilians but there's samba what.
Yeah.
Like South Africa sine flair, but the flair is skill none. I think then less was flair and less was style. We was understand that better.
Oh yes.
That's why uthole ama player amaningi akwazi adjust ukudeni. If you realize ukudeni uyalazi, if awulazi.
Yeah, simple.
Finish.
And then uChipa wenzani ke makaseka kubona uDan nangu Chipa ibuyile wenzani wa adjust.
Yeah, same thing. Ngiyashisa lapho same thing. Then until ngihamba kuChipa le.
Waya ku Chiefs and ngiyacabanga ukuthi yilakhe ekulu like kuba iwish yabantu abaningi udlala kuChiefs, udlala kuPirates. It's kuba into ekulu. Uyanjani kuChiefs?
No, ngiya Chiefs performance wise best.
Yeah.
Assist best, goals best. Ngiyahamba ngiya Chiefs, then ngifika kuChiefs. Ithi ngokutshela it was a dream come true. For me ukudlala iChiefs mamela namanje right.
Yeah.
Ngi complete. Okay, career yami yebhola ngi complete.
Not just that move.
Incomplete.
Azange ufuna ukwazi ukuthi bak-offerani bathini?
Nabo bayazi, but if you want bazongitshela. Bayazi, I've never even checked ukuthi ngibonele ibadge nje ngasayina.
Wabangena.
Yeah, ngabangena.
uChipa zanga resist.
uChipa uresistile lapho nalapho. We even went to court for 6 months no Chipa. Ngezinye izinto I can't say them here.
Yeah.
Yabo, so yeah, but it was a good journey. Humble lwami lebhola.
Happy.
Ni happy ngayo.
Ikhona mhlawumbe into ongakayenzi owisha ukuthi ngathana yenzekile namkha.
Mina ibhola nebhola ngiyabona ukuthi coach bathi in ngiyazibona zonke lezi zinto, but if for me ngizokhuluma lento le dala ngisebholweni. Ngisho kunabantu abaningi basebholweni bangazi ukuthi dala ngisebholweni.
Yeah.
Kunezinye izinto eziningi engizazi ngebhola. Abanye bayafika ebholweni bayichange yonke lento le ibhola. For me ibhola lila for change impilo zabantu, especially abantu underprivileged basemakhaya. Emalokishini nani. You understand that? But manje I think it's more ezinye izinto that
eselithoma ukuba ngathi ngelabantu abathileko abamodern.
Ibhola lithatha abantu abaningi from emakhaya abafaka isikolo. Laba yenza ukuthi babe nezindlu bakakhela buma wabo izinto bayenze a lot of things, but today ibhola ngathi sekuyile phone lama agent. That's why ngisho ukuthi ibhola mina ngilidlalile.
Yeah.
Ngiyayazi into engiyikhulumayo.
And when content uthabile uphelele.
Mina ngiphelele. Namanje ayikho into ezongihlangahle. Ayekho umuntu engizomfonela ngimcela
ne,
because I've played my part ebholweni.
Yeah.
Yabona, so I just wish nje ukuthi abantu abaningi bangalidlala ibhola ba realize ukuthi kunala liphela khona. And maliphela, you don't need to go back to anyone and ask for anything because they don't owe you nothing.
Yes.
Chiefs and Koloti next, Pirates and Koloti next, Platinum and Koloti next. And futhi angazi ukuthi le gama le legend
nechakumana ekoloti.
Bangibhadalile.
Tight as sebenzela ukuthi sivala. But what is that one lesson that football has taught you?
Football ingifundisa into simple. Ethi ngisho kanje. Mina I don't think ukuthi kunento umuntu angakunika yona. Empilweni yakho. And ibhola mina bengideserve ukuba Chiefs. I worked hard for it. Bengideserve ukuba ku Pirates. I worked hard for it. Mike Makapa angikhumelanga nomuntu.
Yeah.
And ayikho agent engikhulumela nomuntu.
Wena ngeperformance yakho.
Yes.
You did all the talking.
So you must understand, you everywhere you are all at your own.
Wow. Kenga kubona uthi Chiefs deserve special players ukuthi badlalele. Umuntu onanga kubuza nje ukuthi bangasayina abani for Chiefs isizini le. Ungathi ngibani? Ngubani umdlalo ombona special enough ukuthi angaya ku Chiefs?
Mina ngathi asayine umshishi.
Yeah.
Because there's no leadership there. And because umshishi has won a lot of things in the Sundowns. And ngisho naye his dream ukudlala eDerby. Ayikho dream
edlala.
Yeah. I just wish ukuthi bangamthatha leadership ibe khona. And na lezi zinto asitholile through his career as shawe off.
So ufela ukuthi iChiefs dressing room le like someone on a force on esithunzi ngendlela umshishana.
Not the force. Just leadership. I understand. That's leadership. Umuntu achieve yonke into.
Yeah.
I can take you back to Chiefs. Yaka Stewart.
Yeah.
There was Tepo Masilela. There was Pakaka.
Leadership.
There was Mashamaite. There was Tawa. There was Rene Lelutsonenyani. There was too much leadership. You understand? And Tingalisa Skati, ama youngsters then,
Libisi,
George Libisi, Masango, and everyone else there had Baba Batala. They knew what they wanted and they knew what Leah Club means to the nation as a whole.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's, I'm not saying with the team ever
yes.
but I'm just saying with if comparison yale team nalama team nathi besikhona lapha ku Chiefs, comparison was too huge.
Tight sithokozile thina ngesikhathi sakho lapha emhathweni iKwekwezi sesilindeleke the official function yokubeka phasi. Ngiyazi kunezinto oziplanako around isikhathi leso bekuthi silindele nokubona ukuthi Sunrise light ikhamba ifike kuphi. But I'm happy ukuthi awukalahleki ebholweni, usesekhona, ustrong, wagcina usindisiwe nokusindiswa, usifakela nebheji, utrowile, usettled umnandi.
No, ngimnandi, but kumele understand ngeSunrise light, neSunrise angiqala into engayiqedi.
We are coming.
Ngiyakutshela ngiqala into engayiqedi. I'm telling you, sure in the next 3 years ngikhuluma nawe la. sabe sikhuluma enye into different angicala into engayiqedi
laleli kuzwakele ku Joseph uThaitwa kwaMlongwana sesambona ke ngemva kweminyaka emithathu ukuthi isichema sizabe sikuphi bekodwa isithembe nokuthi nabanye abadlali mhlawumnye bafundile ngebizelo lakhe. The best thing ongazenzela yona ukuthi usebenze ngamandla lokho kwaphela kholwa ukuthi ngikho kuzakhulumela bekube sesikhathini esizako sithokozini.